Do you have a small room that needs to serve multiple purposes? A guest room that doubles as an office? Or maybe a tiny apartment that needs to feel spacious? A Murphy bed might be the perfect solution for you. Imagine a bed that folds up and away, disappearing into a stylish cabinet. That's the magic of a Murphy bed. It gives you back valuable floor space when not in use. Plus, it can add a touch of elegance and sophistication to any room. With a little DIY spirit, you can build your own Murphy bed. Don't worry if you're not a seasoned builder. This project is totally doable for beginners. It's like putting together a giant puzzle, and the result is incredibly rewarding. You'll save money compared to buying a pre-made one, and you'll have the satisfaction of creating something beautiful and functional with your own two hands. So, are you ready to transform your space? Let's get started. Before we dive into building, let's gather everything we need. Having all our materials and tools ready will make the process much smoother. Here's your shopping list. Materials. Lumber. Get enough for the bed frame and cabinet. Consult a plan for specific dimensions. Plywood. For the cabinet back and optional shelving. Wood glue. Murphy bed mechanism kit. Includes hinges, springs or pistons, and instructions. Mattress. Make sure it fits the dimensions of your bed frame. Paint or stain. Choose your favorite color and finish. Handles for the cabinet doors. Tools. Measuring tape *, pencil. Level * power drill. Saw, circular saw or jigsaw. Paintbrushes or rags. * safety glasses. Having a well-organized workspace is also important. Clear out a spacious area where you can comfortably work on the project. Lay down a drop cloth to protect your floor and gather all your tools and materials within easy reach. Now that we're prepped and ready, let's move on to the exciting part: building. The bed frame is the heart of our Murphy bed, so let's start there. We'll build a sturdy frame that will comfortably support your mattress. Step 1. Measuring and cutting. First things first, grab your measuring tape and pencil. Refer to your chosen Murphy bed plan for the exact dimensions of the frame. Carefully measure and mark the wood pieces according to the plan. Now it's time to cut. Use your saw to carefully cut along the marked lines. Remember to always prioritize safety when operating power tools. Step 2. Assembling the frame. Lay out the cut pieces of wood that will form the rectangular frame of your bed. This typically involves 2 longer side pieces and 2 shorter end pieces. Apply wood glue to the ends of the pieces that will be joined together. Then, use screws to secure the corners of the frame, creating a sturdy rectangle. Step 3. Adding support slats. To support your mattress and prevent sagging, you'll need to add slats across the bed frame. These slats can be made from thin pieces of wood or metal. Space them evenly along the length of the frame, attaching them securely with screws. With the bed frame complete, you've completed a major step. Take a moment to admire your handiwork. You're well on your way to building an amazing Murphy bed. Now let's create the stylish cabinet that will house our Murphy bed. This cabinet will not only conceal the bed when it's not in use, but also serve as a beautiful piece of furniture. Step 1. Cutting the side panels. The cabinet will have 2 side panels that are taller than the bed frame. These panels will be visible when the bed is folded up, so choose a wood type and finish that you love. Measure and cut the side panels according to your plan's dimensions. Step 2. Assembling the cabinet. Now stand the side panels upright. Attach the top and bottom pieces of the cabinet to these panels using wood glue and screws. Make sure the corners are square and the structure is sturdy. Step 3. Reinforcing with a back panel. To add extra strength and stability to the cabinet, cut a piece of plywood to fit the back. Attach the plywood securely to the back of the cabinet frame using screws. Congratulations! You've successfully built the cabinet that will house your Murphy bed. Now for the part that makes it all work: installing the mechanism. Section 5. Installing the Murphy bed mechanism. This is where the magic happens. Installing the mechanism that allows your bed to effortlessly fold up and down. Step 1. Attaching hinges. The Murphy bed mechanism kit will include heavy-duty hinges that connect the bed frame to the cabinet. Carefully follow the manufacturer's instructions to attach these hinges to both the bed frame and the inside of the cabinet sides. Precision is key here to ensure smooth operation. Step 2. Installing gas struts. Gas struts, or springs depending on your kit, provide the counterbalance that makes lifting and lowering the bed a breeze. Attach the gas struts according to the instructions, ensuring they are properly aligned and secured. Step 3. Securing the bed frame inside the cabinet. With the hinges and gas struts in place, carefully lift the bed frame and guide it into the cabinet. Make sure the hinges are properly engaged and the bed frame sits flush within the cabinet. Test the movement of the bed up and down to ensure everything is working smoothly. You did it! You've successfully installed the Murphy bed mechanism. Now let's add some finishing touches to make it beautiful. Section 6. Finishing touches. Now for the fun part, adding those extra details that will make your Murphy bed truly shine. Step 1. Painting or staining. Choose a paint color or wood stain that complements your style and the room's decor. Apply the paint or stain evenly to the cabinet, bed frame, and any other visible parts. Allow ample drying time between coats. Step 2. Installing handles. Select handles that complement the style of your cabinet. Install them on the cabinet doors, ensuring they are securely attached and easy to grip. Step 3. Mounting the cabinet to the wall. For safety, it's crucial to securely mount the Murphy bed cabinet to the wall studs. Use a stud finder to locate the studs, and then use appropriate screws to firmly anchor the cabinet to the wall. Step 4. Testing the mechanism. Before you declare your Murphy bed complete, give the mechanism a final test. Open and close the bed several times to ensure it moves smoothly and effortlessly. Congratulations! You've built your very own DIY Murphy bed. Now let's style that transformed space. Section 7. Styling your transformed space. With the Murphy bed in place, you've gained valuable floor space and a stunning focal point for your room. Now let's style the surrounding area to create a cohesive and inviting atmosphere. Consider adding decorative pillows and throws to the bed to enhance its cozy appeal. When the bed is folded up, these accents can be displayed on a nearby shelf or in a basket, adding a touch of color and texture to the room. Since the Murphy bed cabinet itself acts as a statement piece, choose furniture and decor that complement its style without overwhelming the space. A few carefully selected pieces, such as a sleek side table, a comfortable armchair, and a statement lamp, can make the room feel complete and inviting. Don't be afraid to incorporate personal touches, such as artwork, plants, or family photos, to make the space feel truly yours. The goal is to create a room that is both stylish and functional, a space that you'll love spending time in. Section 8. Safety first. Remember, safety should always be your top priority when building and using a Murphy bed. Here are a few essential tips to keep in mind. Always use high-quality materials and hardware. Opt for sturdy lumber, durable hinges, and reliable gas struts to ensure the longevity and safety of your Murphy bed. Follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully. The Murphy bed mechanism kit will come with detailed instructions. Adhere to these guidelines meticulously to ensure proper installation and operation. Securely mount the cabinet to wall studs. Never cut corners when it comes to mounting. Use a stud finder to locate the strongest points in your wall, and use appropriate screws to firmly anchor the cabinet. Supervise children and pets around the Murphy bed. Never allow children to operate the Murphy bed unsupervised. Keep pets away from the mechanism to prevent accidents. Inspect the mechanism periodically. Over time, hinges and gas struts can wear down. Regularly inspect the mechanism for signs of wear and tear, and replace any damaged parts promptly. By prioritizing safety and following these guidelines, you can enjoy your DIY Murphy bed for years to come, knowing that it is both stylish and secure. Section 9. Enjoy your new guest room. Congratulations! You've successfully transformed your space with a beautiful and functional DIY Murphy bed. Now you can enjoy the benefits of a multi-purpose room without sacrificing style or comfort. Imagine your guests' delight when they discover the hidden bed tucked away in the stylish cabinet. Picture the extra space you've gained for activities like yoga, hobbies, or simply enjoying a more open and airy living area. Building a Murphy bed is a rewarding experience that allows you to personalize your space while adding a touch of ingenuity and charm. So go ahead, embrace the DIY spirit, and enjoy the transformation.